Good day, I am Lucia Soto, and now we are going to talk about inverse. So, inverse. Let's break down finding the inverse of 1 is equal to 2x plus 1, step by step, like solving puzzle. So, how to find an inverse function? So, first, what is an inverse function? An inverse function and that's the original function. If the original takes an input x and gives y, the inverse takes y and gives back x. So now step 1, swap x and y. So let's start with the original equation. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Since the inverse reverses input and output, replace y with x and x with y. So x is equal to 2y plus 1. Why? This flips the function's directions. If y is equal to 2x plus 1, turns x is equal to 2 into y is equal to 5. The inverse should turn x is equal to 5 back into y is equal to 2. Swapping variables sets this up. So, step 2, solve for y. Now we need to isolate y in x is equal to 2y plus 1 to get the inverse function. So number 1, let's subtract 1 from both sides to move the constant term x minus 1 is equal to 2y. So number 2, let's divide both sides by 2 to get y alone. Y is equal to x minus 1 over 2. So here's the final result. The inverse of y is equal to 2x plus 1 is y is equal to 1 minus 1 over 2. So this is the solution. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. So we swap na to siya para siyang x is equal to 2y plus 1. X minus 1 is equal to 2y plus 1 minus 1. So x minus 1 over 2 is equal to 2y divided by 2. So let's divide both sides by 2. So ang equal niya is y is equal to 2. Y is equal to x minus 1 over 2. And that's it.